The fashion industry has an enormous impact on climate change, but the supply chain is so complex. Where do we start to make it more sustainable? Which fashion brands are leading the sustainability game? Let us know in the comments. So, what's the most unsustainable thing about fashion? Let's first put some structure into the fashion industry. The supply chain of a fashion product usually consists of these 8 different steps. 1. Harvesting of the raw material, natural or synthetic fabrics. 2. The preparation of the yarn. 3. The production of the fabric. 4. Dyeing and finishing the fabric. 5. Assembling the fabric to the final product. 6. Distributing and selling the product, for example in retail stores. 7. Using the product, washing it, maintaining it. 8. End of life, ideally recycling the product, more often just putting into the waste. While the use phase takes up the most time within that process, it doesn't account for the most emissions. In fact, more than 1/3 of the environmental impact of the fashion industry actually stems from dyeing and finishing the product. The process uses large amounts of heated water, heavy polluting chemicals, and a lot of processes in between. But don't forget about the use phase, of course. It's harder to measure for a company, but a pair of jeans might be washed hundreds of times over the course of its life. One company that is working exactly on these issues is Patagonia. They are not pushing their customer to buy new products every year or every season, but they are trying to educate them to consume less, so to reduce less, and instead of wasting their products, to recycle it. Join us for our event to learn how your brand can become the most sustainable brand in the fashion industry.